Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own probiotics at home. We'll start by exploring the fundamental principles of fermentation, which is a natural process that transforms food. You'll learn about the simple ingredients and basic tools required to get started. This guide will help you understand the incredible health advantages of incorporating these beneficial foods into your daily diet, offering a natural boost to your well-being. To begin your probiotic journey, selecting the right ingredients is key. Always opt for fresh, organic vegetables whenever possible to ensure the highest quality. It's crucial to use non-chlorinated water, as chlorine can inhibit the beneficial bacteria we want to cultivate. You'll also need clean glass jars, ideally with an airlock or a tight-fitting lid, and a weight to keep your vegetables submerged. Proper sanitation of all your tools is essential for a successful fermentation. Let's walk through a simple fermentation process, like making sauerkraut. First, finely shred your chosen vegetables, such as cabbage, to maximize their surface area. Next, add about 2 teaspoons of non-iodized salt for every 1 pound of vegetables, massaging it in thoroughly. Pack the mixture very tightly into a clean glass jar, ensuring no air pockets remain. Finally, allow it to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 10 days. Once your fermentation is complete, it's time to store your delicious homemade probiotics. Transfer the finished product to the refrigerator, where the cooler temperatures will significantly slow down the fermentation process. For optimal flavor and beneficial bacteria, aim to consume your fermented foods within several weeks. Regularly incorporating these tangy, nutrient-rich foods into your diet can provide wonderful support for your digestive system and overall wellness. Enjoy your homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.